Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to observe the amazing energy transfer that occurs from boiling wax. Check this out. All I'm using in this lab is some Gulf wax, my blowtorch, a beaker with some ice water, a stand for the test tube. The first step is to cut some small pieces of your wax to fit down your test tube. The next step is to fill your beaker with some ice water. Okay, now you're ready to start melting your wax. You want to keep melting your wax until it comes to a boil. This experiment really won't work unless all of your wax is melted and it's boiling. Now you're getting a vigorous boil, and you're ready to raise up your water. Okay, there we go. All right. Watch what happens when we put our beaker of ice water around the base. Just amazing. Wow, what a reaction. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.